Hi, my name is Corey and I'm the developer for Orchestrator. Orchestrator is a visual task management application. It was originally built for factories and manufacturing, but it could really be used for anything. Let me show you how it works. Sign in to Orchestrator using your Google account, select your organization and project. Going over to workflows, you see I have a development workflow. Selecting the process at the top will direct me to a visual view of all my current tasks being worked on. Currently, my team is creating a pull request on a particular work item. You can see that it is in progress. If I would like to see more information on this task, I can double click on it and have a single page view of the history of when the task was started and even some file attachments. I could view the previous task completed and print a report. Orchestrator is also mobile compatible. Scan this QR code to view the task on your phone, where you can attach file attachments. Pictures are not stored on your local device. They're uploaded directly to the task. This would allow all of your team to see exactly the progress, and any necessary documents that you would need on the specific task will be visualized here. By going to overview, I can see the entire overall flow of your development process, and I could print a full report based on this process. We could create custom workflows by clicking on create, creating a workflow name, even giving it a description. We could create our own processes. If you would like to create more tasks, you could manage, create new tasks here. Here I've created 4 nodes. Read work item. The developer should be rebasing their code, complete the development, validate the requirements. If I have multiple dependencies, I could add another node and connect them. This looks good. Let's save these changes. Let's run this process. We're good to go. As a developer, I can double click on this work item that I would like to work on. By opening the work item, we've automatically started this task. If I click on the next work item, you'll see that the task has also started. I can complete these tasks by clicking the next button, and now you'll see that my previous task has been completed and my current task is now running. By going back to overview, you could visually see where the development is currently at. Let's say there's an issue. When rebasing code, there's a problem. We could fail this task and set the item to failed. Now if we go to overview, we could quickly see that we have a bottleneck in our process and should be addressed. The developer can come back in, scan their ID card as a different employee, reset the work item, resolve the issue, complete it. Now if we print this workflow, we could see the history of rebasing the code. We started working here, it was failed, reset back to pending, and then succeeded. This is great for tracking history. This also tracks all of your time for each work item. This makes it really fun for developers or anybody who's working in any industry to have their progress saved and stored in a visual way. We could also create teams on Orchestrator, assign roles, and create multiple organizations as well as projects. So you can be sure that you can invite anybody from any organization into your project, such as QA teams, UI UX, you name it. Signing out is just as simple as removing the ID card. And yes, Orchestrator does work with an RFID ID card. Alternatively, you can log in with your Google account as well. We also deploy Orchestrator on premise. So if you don't want to have the cloud version, we also deploy on premise. If you're interested to having Orchestrator inside of your team, give us a call at saintjacques.digital. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a great day.